Maskathon day 6 and I'm back with another amazing mask recipe. If you wanted me to do a video on mask related to acne or pimples, so I thought why not include it in my Maskathon week. So today I'm going to show you how to make a mask that is going to prevent your acne or pimples. So basically it's a breakout targeting and pimple preventing mask. It's a really nourishing, moisturizing and active facial mask, and I haven't used clay in this mask. So the ingredients that I have used to prepare this mask are, so the first ingredient that I have used to create this mask is sugar. I have used organic raw cane sugar. You can use brown sugar, but make sure to use only organic sugar because it is raw, natural and unprocessed, and it is free from any harmful chemical preservatives. I'm using 2 small spoons of this raw cane sugar. You can also use brown sugar. Sugar is an underrated beauty ingredient. It is so amazing for your skin and it is rich in glycolic acid which penetrates deep into your skin and it promotes new cell growth. People generally go for expensive glycolic acid treatment, but this is a natural and cheaper way to treat your skin with glycolic acid goodness. Glycolic acid in sugar helps to control melanin formation and thus it helps in fading your acne scars and blemishes, and thus it gives you a brighter complexion. It also promotes healthy circulation and skin cleansing, and thus it helps in preventing future acne and pimple breakouts. Sugar is a natural humectant. That means it draws moisture from the environment and transfers that moisture into your skin and thus makes your skin so soft and supple. Another powerful ingredient that I've used is green tea. Now you must have seen green tea on ingredient list of many of the acne fighting products available in market. It's that powerful. It contains polyphenols that helps in fighting microbes and bacteria, and thus it prevents acne and pimples. Take 1 sachet of green tea and then cut it open and add it to the sugar. Next, I'm going to add a pinch of cinnamon to this face mask. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties. It can kill or suppress microbes and bacteria that can cause pimples and acne. Cinnamon also has astringent properties. It can help to shrink pores, which can make the skin appear smoother and more even. Next, I'm going to add 1 small spoon of honey. Honey has several chemical properties that can kill bacteria. It has high concentration of sugar which puts pressure on bacterial cells, making them less likely to multiply. Next, I'm going to add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains saponins which can kill acne causing bacteria and viruses, and this also contains salicylic acid, a compound which unclogs the pores and eliminates acne, blackheads and whiteheads from the skin. It further helps to regulate the pH balance of the skin. Now mix all the ingredients together. I'm going to show you how you have to apply this facial mask. This facial mask can be a little drippy, so you have to apply a really thin layer of this facial mask onto your skin. Next, I'm going to leave this face mask on for 20 minutes and I'll be back. 20 minutes is up and now I'm going to remove this mask. I'm using wet tissue here just for the sake of video. So now I'm going to wash it off with water and I'll show you how my skin looks like after I've removed my mask. Do try this mask out and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Post your feedback in the comment section below. I would love to read that. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you're enjoying this Maskathon week. If this video was helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected, and don't forget to press the small bell icon and also opt for the notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you tomorrow with another great mask recipe. Tomorrow is the last day of Maskathon. I really enjoyed shooting this Maskathon week and I really hope you enjoyed watching this as well. So yeah, that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.